The nature of consciousness. What is it and how does it arise? What is consciousness? The fact that we experience the world, such as the color red, the taste of coffee, and the ache of loss, is one of the deepest mysteries in science and philosophy. In this video, we will explore what consciousness is, why it is so elusive, and the leading theories that try to explain how it arises. Part 1. Defining consciousness. Consciousness is the state of being aware of oneself, one's surroundings, and one's thoughts. Yet, it is more than awareness. It is a subjective experience, or what philosophers call qualia, the felt quality of experiences. You do not just process light, you see blue. You do not just register sound, you hear music. This inner experience is often called the hard problem of consciousness. Part 2. The hard problem versus easy problems. Neuroscientists can explain how the brain processes information and how we react to pain or detect motion. These are the easy problems of consciousness, but explaining why any of this feels like something from the inside, that is the hard problem, famously posed by the Australian philosopher David Chalmers. Why should brain activity produce a mind at all? Part 3. Scientific theories. There are several competing scientific theories. The global workspace theory suggests that consciousness emerges when information is globally broadcast to different parts of the brain. The integrated information theory, IIT, argues that consciousness corresponds to the system's ability to integrate information into a unified whole. Some researchers, like Giulio Tononi, even assign a mathematical value to consciousness called phi. Others propose that quantum processes, as in Roger Penrose's theory, may be involved at the microscopic level. Part 4. Philosophical approaches. Philosophers have long wrestled with the nature of consciousness. René Descartes famously said, "I think, therefore I am," placing consciousness at the center of existence. In contrast, some Eastern philosophies see consciousness not as an individual attribute, but as a universal field, something we tap into rather than possess. Others propose panpsychism, or the idea that consciousness is a fundamental feature of the universe like space or time. Part 5. Altered states and the edges of consciousness. What happens when consciousness shifts? Dreams, meditation, and psychedelic experiences show us that consciousness is not static. These altered states reveal the mind's plasticity, and may even offer clues to how consciousness emerges and evolves. Some scientists now study these states to better understand the underlying mechanisms of awareness. Part 6. The mystery remains. Despite incredible advances in neuroscience and philosophy, no theory yet fully explains why consciousness exists. It remains one of humanity's greatest mysteries. Is it an emergent property of complex brains? A fundamental property of the universe? Or something we have yet to even conceptualize? So consciousness is what allows us to ask questions, feel wonder, and seek truth. If you are a scientist, a philosopher, or just curious, you are a part of this ongoing mystery. If this video sparked your imagination, like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think consciousness really is? Keep thinking.